Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to almost very bottom in order to find digital well-being and parental controls. So let's enter. If you are opening this option for the very first time, you will have to choose between the digital well-being tools and the parental controls. So just tap on show your data here. And as you can see, you will be immediately transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. So I've been using it for almost 2 hours. And as you can see, most of the time I've spent on the settings. So here we've got 2 different ways to check some further details. We can tap directly inside of the graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard with the graphs also, but for the whole screen time, let's say, and under it you've got listed all of the apps on which you've spent most of the time. As you can see, some games and so on and so on. Or you can go back and tap directly on particular apps. So for example, the settings, and as you can see, those dashboards will be connected only to the settings, so you can check how much time you've spent on this particular app whole week or even month. So let's go back, and here we've got also the unlocks and notifications count. What's more, under it we've got the ways to disconnect, and I would like to share with you this section because I really think it is useful, especially if you need the time for yourself. So we've got the focus mode, bedtime mode, and the dashboard. You can set the timers. So for example, the focus mode, you can set a schedule. So first of all, we have to select distracting apps. So let me pick, for example, PUBG. It doesn't really matter. Just just take the apps which are really distracting you, so from which you're receiving most notifications. And after marking them, you can set a schedule. So you can pick particular days and also particular time in which those apps will not show you the notifications from them. So it is the best option to use if you need the time for yourself, you need to work, you need to focus, or you just want to rest without the connection to this internet world and so on. So I really think this option is so cool, and it is really good to use it, especially nowadays when we spend a lot of time on the mobile phones. So here we've got also some options to reduce the interruptions, so you can manage the notifications using the normal options which are on your device. And we've got also the not disturb mode. You can customize it if you want to. You can enter parental controls here. So basically that's all. This is how to check total screen time in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.